Respected Honorable Guest Swami Tattvagurudha, Respected Manager Sri Ramachandran PS, Sri I.A. Mohanan Trust Secretary, Srimati Bimsha Madhurabharati President, then my beloved students, parents, my dear colleagues. A Guru shapes the mind, touches the heart, transforms the life. We go to our Gurus on this sacred day. As you know, today is the most auspicious day in our school for celebrating Vyasa Paurnami as Acharya Smriti 2026 and commemorated as a birth anniversary of Saint Vedavyasa, the order of Purana, great Purana Mahabharata. As we celebrate Acharya Smriti, we acknowledge the sacred bond between the Guru and the disciple. May Guru's teachings continue to inspire us to reach new heights. May Guru Purnima remind us to honor not only spiritual gurus but also all the teachers in every field who shape our lives through education, mentorship and guidance. This day reminds us that the knowledge transforms life. Those who guide us deserve respect and gratitude. Then this occasion dedicated to expressing our gratitude, respect and reverence to our Guru, who guides us with wisdom, knowledge and compassion. Today, we came together with devotion and gratitude to seek blessings and celebrate this beautiful tradition. With much pleasure, I am here in front of you to welcome you all to this celebration of Guru Purnima Acharya Smriti 2026. You know, Guru means one who remove all fears and darkness and give to the goodness and prosperity. It is a day to revere our teachers and mentors who make our life better. We have such an apt personality here to honor as Guru. That is one else. All of the years of his service adored as Guru by his countless number of disciples. On this great occasion, I would like to express my wholehearted welcome to Swami Tattvagurudha Narayana Gurukulam MLD.
Sri Ramachandran PS അവർകളെ ബഹുമാനപൂർവ്വം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My dear students, warm welcomes and blessings to you all. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഗുരുപൂർണിമ ദിവസം നമ്മുടെ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൽ ഗുരുവന്ദനവും ഗുരുപൂജയും നമ്മൾ ആഘോഷിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ ഇതിഹാസങ്ങളും ചരിത്രങ്ങളും കഥകളൊക്കെയാണ് നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യത്തിൻ്റെ സാംസ്കാരിക പാരമ്പര്യത്തിൽ ഊന്നിയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്.